Welcome to our channel. If you're new here, make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our latest videos. We'll be solving a problem where we're given a sorted array of size n and an integer k, and we need to find the position, zero-based indexing, at which k is present in the array. Let's take an example. Suppose we have an array of size 5, with elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we're asked to find the position of the integer 4 in the array. Now, let's take a look at the solution to this problem. Hashtag include stdio. This line includes the standard input-output library in the code. Int binary search int arranged by int n, int k. This line declares a function named binary search which takes an integer array arr, its size, and an integer value k as arguments. It returns an integer value which represents the position of the element k in the array arr. This is the definition of the binary search function. It first declares an integer variable I. It then uses a for loop to iterate through each element of the array arr. If the current element arr I is equal to the element k, the function returns the position of the element in the array, which is I plus 1, since the position is zero-based indexed. If the element k is not found in the array, the function returns -1. This is the main function of the code. It first declares an integer array a of size 100. Integer variables I and k and It then prints a message asking the user to enter the number of elements in the array. It takes the input of in using scanf. It then prints a message asking the user to enter the elements of the array a. It uses a for loop to take the input of in elements and store them in the array a. It then prints a message asking the user to enter the element k to be searched. It takes the input of k using scanf. It calls the binary search function with the array a, its size, and the element to be searched k as arguments, and stores the returned value in the variable. It then uses an if-else statement to check if the returned value a is greater than 0. If it is, it prints a message indicating that the element k is present in the array a at the position Otherwise, it prints a message indicating that the element k is not present. The code simply checks every element of the array until it finds the element being searched for. You can use binary search. It is a more efficient algorithm that works by repeatedly dividing the search interval in half, based on whether the middle element is greater than or less than the element being searched for. This approach allows the search to be completed much more quickly, as it eliminates large portions of the search space with each iteration. Thanks for watching.